You can use Asana for free and get access to some really powerful features that can help you stay organized and boost productivity. Stick around because I'll walk you through exactly how to get started with Asana without paying a cent and show you how to unlock the tools that can make managing projects so much easier. You can access the software for free with exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. More on that later. Now, let's dive right into the basics. First up, once you sign up for Asana, you'll be able to create a project right from the get-go. Just hit the Create Project button on your dashboard and pick from Templates or Start a Blank Project. This is where you can organize everything by task, and it's super easy to create new tasks. The free version of Asana lets you set up these projects with sections and tasks, making it perfect for organizing simple workflows or a to-do list for your team. Next thing, let's talk about task management. The heart of Asana is task creation. When you create a task, you can assign it to any team member, set a due date, and add any details that will help with clarity. Even in the free version, you can attach files and add comments to keep everyone updated. This is great for small teams or even solo users. You don't need to upgrade for basic task management, and it's incredibly easy to use. The third thing, organizing tasks, is a breeze with Asana's list view. It allows you to drag and drop tasks between different sections. You can filter tasks based on due dates, assignees, or priorities. This keeps everything neatly organized, so you don't have to worry about things falling through the cracks. Now, one of the cool features in the free version is the ability to use the calendar view. This shows all your tasks with deadlines in a visual, easy-to-read calendar format. It's perfect for seeing everything you need to do at a glance, and you can drag tasks around to reschedule them on the fly. The fifth thing, Asana lets you set up basic project timelines even on the free plan. This feature might be limited compared to the paid versions, but it still offers a useful view of how your project is progressing. You can add tasks, dependencies, and milestones, making sure you stay on track without having to pay for extra features. And here's where it gets interesting. Asana also offers a reporting feature in the free version. While it's a bit basic, it helps you track project progress with visual charts and graphs. This gives you insights into what's working and what's not. Finally, Asana integrates well with many other tools, even in the free version. You can connect it to Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, which helps streamline your workflow and communication. This makes it easy to share files, keep in touch with your team, and stay on top of things without leaving Asana. Remember, this is all available for free, and as I mentioned earlier, you can use Asana for free and even unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. Don't forget to check out that offer for an extended trial of the software if you want to explore more advanced features. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to get started with Asana for free. The task management features and integrations alone are a game changer for staying organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click the link below to get your exclusive free trial.